All right, YouTube, now that we got the hood open on the BMW 530, let's talk about specs. So under the hood of this BMW 530, we do get a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that pushes out 248 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, and is paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And as you guys all know, this BMW is the X-Drive, so that means this is an all-wheel drive vehicle. And when it comes to speed, guys, this BMW 530 does have a top speed of 130 miles per hour, and it goes 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds. Now, when it comes to fuel economy, this BMW 530 does have a fuel tank capacity of 18 gallons, giving you guys 23 miles per gallon in the city and about 32 miles per gallon on the highway. And last but not least, we'll go into the dimensions just a little bit. So this BMW 530 does have an overall length of 195.8 inches with an overall width of 73.5 inches and an overall height of 117.1 inches. And just starting off with the front, as you guys see, we do get some indistinct lines on the hood that kind of sway around the hood to the front of the vehicle to give it a nice shape. We do get that BMW logo right here in the front of your hood. We get the 2 separate grills on your front bumper. Coming down some more, we do get some black accents that match this car, give it a more sportier, aggressive look, and this thing does look nice. And coming off to the headlights, guys, I do like the shape inside the headlights. Kind of looks like the letter L, but it gives it a nice, slick, mean, aggressive look to this BMW. And we do have some more black accents at the bottom of this BMW as well, giving that thing a nice touch. And coming off to the side, guys, we do have some 19-inch rims. These rims are black to match the rest of the black that comes along with this car. I just think this black goes well with that steel metal gray color. When the sun does hit this paint, it does have a little pearlescent pink to it. Not sure if you guys can kind of see that. I'll try to get a better view for you guys later on in the video. But it is gray, but when the sun hits it, it does give a pink shine off to it. Now coming off more to the side, guys, we do have another vent right here. And of course, it does have a black cover, like I said, to go along with the rest of the black with the car. Well, yep, that is another vent for more air to pass through this vehicle. And we do get some side mirrors, same color as the body. And we do have an LED light when you activate your turning signal. And when you activate your turning signal, of course, that will come on and off, on and off. And right here in front of the side mirror, we do have some more black. And we do have some black along the window trimming as well. This thing is just nice, man. I love this gray and black combo. Everything looks nice. It's not too much, it's not too less. And I just wanted to give you guys a look at this whole side profile just to show you how nice this car is, how all these lines just fall together and fall through to give this car an amazing look. So I'll go down the side for you guys. You guys see we got that line on the top, goes all the way back to the trunk. And now we're coming to the back of the vehicle. So now that we're in the rear of the BMW 530, we do get our BMW badge, our X-Drive badge, and we do get the 530 badge, but it is off right now. So another interesting feature I like about this is when we come to the tail lights, we do have LED tail lights, but they are blacked out around the tail light, which I think that gives it a nice touch. This thing looks so aggressive in the rear. I love this style. BMW did their thing with this one. And of course, what's a BMW without dual exhaust? We do have dual exhaust on this BMW 530. Just look at that shine on this car, guys. This thing is nice. All right, YouTube, now that we're in front of the BMW 530i, I just want to put some focus on this key feature because I think it's a feature that not too many people know about. So as you guys can see, we are in the front of the BMW 530. And we're in front of the grill, but right behind that grill, we actually do have some black shutters behind the grill, and these do actually open and close to improve efficiency, to cool down this vehicle when it's getting too hot. And not only do we got those active shutters right behind the grill, but we actually do have them right down here as well. And guys, I just turned on the BMW, and as you guys can see, those shutters did open up. Like I said, just to allow more cooling for that engine, the shutters do open up. And that is my first key feature on this BMW 530. So let's turn this engine off so I can tell you guys about the rest of the cool features that come along with this car. Alright, so another feature I like about the BMW, as you guys can see, the car is locked right now. But if you guys didn't know, you just hit that lock button to lock the car, but it's already locked. So this feature a lot of you guys might already know about, but I'm going to just put the key fob in my pocket. We're going to walk up to the BMW. It's going to notice that I'm walking up to it, and then we will be able to pull on the handle to unlock the door. I'll just watch. All right, you see the side mirrors open up because they know that we're getting closer to the vehicle. I'm going to pull on the handle, and just like that, guys, keyless entry. Now that we're in the interior of this BMW, I just want to start off with these seats. These are power steering seats, of course. So if I do this, the seat will move forward as long as with the back part of the seat. But let's dive a little more into the seats, guys. So paying attention to the seats, it kind of dips in and comes back out. So when you're sitting down, it kind of locks you in place. I like the way how BMW did this diamond stitching throughout the middle of the seat, all the way up to the back. Gives it a nice design, nice little look. Of course, we do have heated and cooling seats. That's why we do have the pattern through here as well. Now that we're in the BMW 530, another cool feature is right here. If you open this up, okay, we do have a little light under there, but this is a wireless charging station for your cell phone. And also this BMW does have a key card. So if you guys don't want to carry the key fob around, it does come with a key card you just put right there, and you will be able to start your vehicle with that key card. So that's kind of a cool feature. Kind of reminds me of a Tesla, but you can start your BMW with the key fob or the key card. Unfortunately, we don't have the key card today, but I just felt like that's something else that I should tell you guys about in this video. And to close this little console back, you don't want to pull it. It's kind of like an automatic. So instead of pulling it and breaking it, you just push it and it'll come back on its own. So this next feature I'm about to show you guys, I feel like it goes off of preference, but I like it. It does come with a big sunroof or moonroof, whichever you guys call it. It actually goes back to the middle. So I'll open that up for you guys. And to open it, you just want to push this back. And now to open the roof up, pushing it one more time. As you guys can see, the whole glass is moving backwards. And now the whole roof is open now, guys. I can stick my hand out. We can let that air come in, cool us down. And just to close it back, you just want to push this button forward. And you can stop this thing wherever you guys want it to. So I can stop right there if I wanted. You can stop it at any given position if you guys want. So just how I hit it to come forward, you will just hit this button again to stop it. But we want to close it, so I'll let it continue closing. And now it's closed, and we'll bring that shade back up as well. Hit that button one more time, and the shade will come following in. My last feature I want to show you guys is this LCD screen in front. So I will put my foot on the brake, press the push to start. Alright guys, so this screen in front will let you know everything you need to know about your BMW. So of course we got your miles per hour on the left side. We got our gears on the right. We do have our temperature on the right in the corner. And we do have our gas and miles on the left side. Further to the left, we got our lights letting us know that our lights are on. It shows you how much people are in your vehicle with seat belts on and off. We have our speed limit. We're not on the road right now, so you can't really see that speed limit. If you guys just push this button right here, we could toggle through that right side right there. Got some different features right there that we could run through. do have the blind spot monitoring system. There we go. There we go, guys. Now we got some free road. Nice burst of speed. Nice acceleration. One thing I like about downtown, man, they got all these nice buildings, tall buildings. Kind of remind me of Miami, but we ain't in Miami right now. Maybe one day I'll do a POV drive in Miami for you guys, give you guys a better view, a different scenery, things of that nature. Let's go. Look at the water, guys. And they got some nice houses over there on the water too. Shit, I wouldn't mind living over there. Got some more tall buildings coming up. Yeah, this is nice right here. I think these are condos. Yeah, those is nice, man. Need to be on one of those one day, man. That's why I need everybody to like, comment, and subscribe so I could. Y'all don't want to see me in a condo? I want to be in a condo. That's why I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe on every video, man. If you haven't on any of my other videos, go back and at least leave a like or at least leave a comment for me, man. It's highly appreciated. Man, I do this for y'all, man. Bring y'all as much content as I can, when I can.
I know it's been some time.